Welcome to Trendy Reviews. Today we're excited to present the top 5 best pickleball paddles of 2025. Whether you're new to game or an experienced player, these paddles offer the perfect combination of power, control and comfort to enhance your performance on the court. We'll break down the key features and what makes each paddle stand out. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and stay updated on the latest gear for sports and beyond. Let's get started. Number 5. Engage Pursuit Pro 1 6.0. The Engage Pursuit Pro 1 6.0 is a high-performance pickleball paddle crafted for players who demand a balance of power, precision and control. Built with Engaged Control Pro 2 polymer core, it enhances responsiveness, allowing players to execute accurate and controlled shots while still delivering impressive power. The 6.0mm core thickness provides a stable, solid feel during play, making it ideal for those looking for enhanced touch and stability when hitting the ball. Weighing between 7.8 and 8.3. The Pursuit Pro 1 6.0 strikes the perfect balance between maneuverability and power. This lightweight design allows for quick reactions and swift movement at the net, while its weight helps generate powerful hits from the baseline. The paddle textured surface also adds more spin to shots, giving players better control over the ball's trajectory. In addition, the ergonomic grip offers comfort, ensuring that players can maintain control and play comfortably for extended periods. With its combination of power, spin and control, the Engaged Suit Pro 1 16.0 is an ideal paddle for intermediate and advanced players aiming to elevate their performance on the court, making it a top contender for competitive play. Number 4. Jula Ben Johns Hyperion CFS Swift. The Jula Ben Johns Hyperion CFS Swift is a cutting-edge pickleball paddle designed in collaboration with world champion Ben Johns, offering superior performance for competitive players. Featuring carbon friction surface CFS technology, the paddle provides exceptional spin control, allowing players to manipulate the ball with precision and consistency. The paddle reactive polymer core enhances power and control, making it well suited for both aggressive offensive shots and more controlled defensive play. Weighing around 7.8 to 8.20, the Hyperion CFS Swift strikes a perfect balance between maneuverability and power, enabling quick reactions at the net and strong baseline hits. The innovative arrow curve design reduces drag, increasing swing speed and responsiveness, making it ideal for players who rely on speed and agility during matches. The textured carbon surface ensures durability and high performance even after extended use. Its ergonomic grip provides added comfort, reducing fatigue during long, intense games. With its advanced technology and precision-engineered design, the Jula Ben Johns Hyperion CFS Swift is a top choice for serious pickleball players looking to elevate their game to the next level with both power and finesse on the court. Number 3. Selker SLK Evo Power 2.0. The Selker SLK Evo Power 2.0 is a dynamic pickleball paddle designed for players who crave power and precision on the court. Engineered with a G8 Flex carbon fiber face, this paddle delivers exceptional power while maintaining excellent control, allowing players to execute forceful shots without sacrificing accuracy. The paddle's Rev Core Plus polymer core is designed to enhance the sweet spot, ensuring more consistent and powerful hits, making it ideal for both intermediate and advanced players. Weighing between 7.6 and 8.0, the SLK Evo Power 2.0 offers the perfect balance of lightweight maneuverability and hard-hitting performance. Its aerodynamic design allows for quicker reactions and faster swings, which is especially useful during fast-paced exchanges at the net. The paddle textured surface enhances spin control, giving players an added tactical advantage during serves and returns. Equipped with an ultra-comfortable SLK Ultra Comfort grip, this paddle reduces vibration and hand fatigue, allowing for extended play without discomfort. Whether you're driving hard shots from the baseline or finessing the ball at the net, the Selker SLK Evo Power 2.0 delivers power, control and comfort, making it a top choice for players aiming to elevate their game. Number 2. Cirque Vanguard Invicta Power Air. The Selker Vanguard Invicta Power Air is a high-performance pickleball paddle designed for players who demand both power and finesse. Built with Quad Carbon Plus face technology, this paddle delivers explosive power while maintaining excellent control over every shot. The Pro Spin texture on the paddle surface enhances spin potential, giving players a tactical edge in both offensive and defensive plays, while the polymer honeycomb core provides a sturdy yet lightweight feel, improving shot consistency and precision. Weighing between 7.7 and 8.20, the Invicta Power Air offers an ideal balance of maneuverability and power, making it well suited for players who need quick reflexes at the net and powerful drives from the baseline. The unique aerodynamic throat design reduces drag, enabling faster swings and greater speed in reactionary shots, enhancing the overall playing experience. Additionally, the paddle features a comfort grip designed to minimize vibrations and reduce hand fatigue. During long matches its elongated shape provides an extended reach perfect for those tight plays near the edge of the court. Overall, the Selker Vanguard Invicta Power Air combines advanced materials and thoughtful design, making it a top-tier choice for competitive players looking to enhance their performance on the court. Number 1. Jula Perseus Mod TA5 Pro Player Edition. The Jola Perseus Mod TA15 is a top-tier pickleball paddle designed for players who prioritize both power and precision. Featuring Jula's thermoformed carbon fiber construction, this paddle delivers maximum durability while maintaining a lightweight feel, allowing players to generate explosive power without sacrificing control. The reactive polymer honeycomb core enhances the sweet spot, providing more consistent performance with every shot, while the paddle textured carbon flex 3-face ensures superior IR spin control, helping players apply precision to their serves and returns. Weighing between 7.8 and 8.30, the Perseus Mod TA15 is designed for quick maneuverability and responsiveness. Whether you're engaged in fast-paced rallies or delivering powerful smashes from the baseline, the paddle aerodynamic shape reduces drag, making it easier to execute quick swings and precise shots during intense play. Equipped with a comfort-contoured grip, it ensures maximum comfort during extended matches, reducing hand fatigue and allowing for a firmer hold on the paddle. The Jola Perseus Mod TA15 offers a perfect blend of power, spin and control, making it an excellent choice for serious players looking to elevate their game to a professional level. So that's wrap up our list of top 5 best pickleball paddles 2024. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Your support means the world to me. Also feel free to leave a comment down below, sharing your thoughts or suggestions for future videos. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired and keep exploring the wonders of the world. See you in the next one.